All right, so this is a COB rechargeable keychain light. Features a strong magnet, a carabiner clip, got a clip, and a COB floodlight. The COB keychain flashlight 1-pack is how it showed on Amazon. COB rechargeable keychain light, COB rechargeable keychain light, and nothing. So let's take a look at what we get in here. Right on top, a USB-C charging cable. Very nice. That means a lot more people can use this device. A nice little included instruction set. Nice. And that's it for the box. So here's a little device. Look at that. So there's the magnet. And here is the USB-C charging port with a nice little piece of rubber to cover that from getting wet. This is a bottle opener, so that's always helpful. Your COB light and the clip. Very nice. It's got this listed as a hanging hook, and oh, your on-off button. So there's on, which is full brightness, and then there's 60, oh, never mind, there's 60% brightness, 30% brightness, strobe. Long press the button for the brightest. So let me long press it. All right, so we will have to give this a go at nighttime. So I'm gonna let it get charged up a little bit, make sure it's got a full battery. Is that like a protective? Yeah, peel that off. So I'm gonna make sure this thing's charged up, and then we're gonna use this out tonight. Does this actually, oh, look at that. So that's the hanging hook, okay. Now I see. I get it now. I thought this was a hanging hook. Never mind. Okay, let's get this charged up and then we'll try it out. To just give you an idea of the brightness, if I was walking up to my fairly already lit front door, I could just hit this power button on the side, and you can see, go to the, there is essentially how much light it puts off, which is more than enough. You can see, I'd be able to see going up my stairs very easily. And I could just, since it hangs on my key rings, I'd be able to just leave it here while I fumbled with my key to unlock my locks. Luckily, I don't have to do that. Now this is on the brightest setting. Let me come back over here. So you can see, pretty dark front yard. And this lights it up pretty well. This is just on the brightest setting. If I take it down a notch, you can see that it's still pretty bright, still more than bright enough for your front door. And then that's the strobe, which that you don't need. So there's a look at this keychain COB light. Very nice, bright light.